The Gonex Canvas Backpack offers a versatile 3-in-1 design, allowing it to be used as a backpack, shoulder bag, or travel bag, making it ideal for various situations. Its spacious and expandable design provides between 40 and 45 liters of storage, catering to different packing needs and ensuring ample space for all your essentials. Crafted from high-quality thick canvas, this backpack is not only durable and abrasion-resistant, but also develops a unique character over time, adding to its rugged charm. The backpack includes 7 zippered compartments and multiple inner pockets, offering a streamlined storage solution that keeps your belongings organized and easily accessible. With colors inspired by outdoor adventures, the backpack is available in deep gray, army green, and khaki, each thoughtfully selected to blend with various environments and styles. Designed with travel in mind, it features top and side handles along with a luggage strap, providing ease of use and convenience for frequent travelers.